I tried making carrot cake without flour, and let's see how it turned out. Yeah. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Here on Afternoon by Olamide, I share different experiments and recipes. As in just me, I just love to try different things. Yeah, the main ingredient is carrots because it's a carrot cake. So I peeled the carrots, minced it, and grated it, and this is it. And then I'll just go ahead to add my other ingredients. And this is the egg. So I used ingredients like egg, carrots of course, baking powder, sugar, salt, milk, oil. Yeah, I put it in a smaller container. So I actually have a whisk, but I couldn't use it because the whisk was too big for this very small container. You know, this is a test recipe. I've never made it before, so I had to make a very small quantity, just 1 cupcake actually, to test it before I go and waste my ingredients. So guys, this is it though. Just watch as I mix the ingredients and then we'll put it in the oven. So I made sure that I mixed it very well. Yeah, so I'm not using a whisk. So I mixed it very well, made sure the ingredients were well incorporated. So going in with my carrots, before I decided to use 2 spoons of carrots, but later I added 1 extra spoon of carrots because, you know, it was still looking kind of watery as there's no flour inside, you know. Yeah, so this is it. I'll just make sure it's mixed well. I added the extra spoon of carrots I talked about. I'll keep mixing, and then I'm going to, yeah, this is it, a close-up of it. And then I'm going to just oil my cupcake container and I'll pour the batter into it. So yeah, I forgot to add milk earlier, so I added the milk. And after putting it in the oven, I remember that, oh my god, I did not add oil. So after removing it from the oven, okay, this is a close-up of this. So after removing it from the oven, I removed it from the oven to add oil, then put it back. So this is it. It had not really started cooking or anything like that. So make sure you preheat your oven before you put in your cake or so. And yeah, this is it. I'll just mix it and put it back into the oven. I use my halogen oven for all my oven recipes. And yeah, that second cake is actually another experiment, beans cake. I'll share that. So now this is the one without the flour. It's done already. Yeah, and it feels spongy. Yeah, like it feels like egg. I don't know. There's a way it feels sharp. I don't know if you can see it from the video. So this is it. Yeah, and I don't know, it was just feeling really moist. Now this is the cake. The carrot cake without any flour at all, and it is cooked though, because mainly like the idea, but it is. Where is the camera? I want to taste it. I feel like let me taste like this first. The edge is nice, but the middle. I don't recommend. Except you like very wet and not just over it. I'm just trying to eat it because I made it, of course I have to eat it. If I don't eat it, who will eat it? I don't recommend.